I'm going to try to video. This whole video is not going to be great because by the time I set the camera up to do a single shot, it's going to exponentially lengthen the amount of video that I have to edit, and setting the camera up and everything, and lighting. So there's going to be big gaps unless I run into a problem, and then I might set up to show how I fix the problem. Well, here goes nothing. Well, the time has come for me to undertake one of the most extensive projects that I've done here at the house. I am going to make these 33-inch tires fit underneath a truck that was designed for 30-inch tires. I've owned this truck since 2005 when my father passed away. It's a 2005 Dodge Dakota, quad cab, with the V8. I've always had trouble with this vehicle because of the ride height, and it was never really great in the snow. It's four-wheel drive and it would get stuck all the time. And part of the reason it was getting stuck all the time was the tires that I can get that fit these 17 by 10-inch wheels are what I like to call road tires. They are not designed for off-road use. I take this truck on the beach extensively, hence the big winch bumper on the front. So the other problem is the suspension's bottoming out from time to time. Part of that's because it's wore out. It's got 85,000 miles on it, and I've never done anything to it. The original factory bushings are starting to go bad. The sway bar bushings are bad. And it's just, and the wheel bearings have decided to join the other team within the last couple weeks. It's growling really bad. So me being me, I've decided that hell with it, I might as well go hog wild. It's cheaper than buying a new truck, and it'll make the truck look completely different than it does now. Dakotas are not generally lifted. I had a little trouble actually finding a suitable lift kit for this project. So we'll see how it goes. Further down the road, I'm going to replace the factory headlights and install a new rear bumper that matches my front bumper, but that's down the road a little ways. And I've got some rust popping here and there. I'm a body man, so that the rust popping isn't a big deal. What's more of a concern to me is getting these monsters up inside these wheel wells and getting the vehicle to handle properly. I spent most of my career telling people not to do this, and now I'm turning around and doing it. Now, I am doing it because I know what I'm doing now, 30 years later, but also because this is no longer going to be my daily driving truck. I've got Pepe, and I might actually buy a new truck, but not for another year or two. And then this will be relegated to purely off-road use. Well, mostly off-road use. So that's it. I really like the tires. I really like the wheels. I'm probably going to hate having to put them on, but once they're on and everything is squared away and aligned and everything, we should be good to go. I have all the tools here to do the job. I was originally going to do the job at my former place of employment, but I don't want to tie their lift and their equipment up for days, which even without any snags or snafus, this is going to be probably a 2 or 3 day project. This is going to be probably a 4-part video, if not more. I got to trim my videos down to about 15 to 20 minutes. I think that's about the average attention span of your YouTube watchers or viewers. So I also have a steering shaft that I have to put in this. That's actually the first thing I'm going to do is put the steering shaft in.